Welcome to my YouTube channel. Say hello to your everyday essential, the classic t-shirt, dress, soft, simple, and oh so stylish. This piece works for morning errands or late night ice cream runs. Throw on some sneakers or denim jackets, and you're good to go. Effortless fashion at its best. How say casual cannot be chic? This short dress is your answer to cool pulled together style with zero effort. Button it up, bell it or leave it loose. Versatility never looked there good. When you want cozy but cute, reach for the rabbit night dress. It hugs just right, stretch when you need it to and pairs perfectly with your favorite boat or slide. Ideals for coffee dates or cozy bookstore runs. Burning on the good vibes with this casual tie-dye dress. It's fun, carefree, and gives your look a pop of color. Just add some sandal and a smile. You're ready for a laid back day in style. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe, then press bell icon. Thanks full.